Hi everybody, it's Kenton here from Kenton Young Travel, and today we're doing another unboxing. This one is from the Prairies. They create custom curated gift boxes that kind of showcase different products that Saskatchewan entrepreneurs make. And the one that we're opening today is the Goddess Prairie box. Now, I'm not a goddess, so this is more for for my female viewers and readers. So I think a lot of the stuff in this box will be feminine, but it doesn't really matter. Whatever you like, whatever you're into, you are welcome to have any of these products. And I don't know what's in the box, so I'm walking in this blind like I usually do, and we'll see what it is. So same as last time, the box is right here, and we have this elevating table, and we'll cut it open if we have to, and see what's inside. You have to cut it open on this side. Not towards me. Oh. There we go. Got it. Okay, wow, lots of stuff. Okay, so here we have the hand-poured soy candle, white, cranberry, and orange. This is by Prairie Creek Candles. And actually, I just got, earlier this year, we got a soy candle. And I actually really like soy candles. They burn quite nicely. Soy matches, not so much. I find it too flimsy, but soy candles, they burn very nicely. I'll put it here so you can see it still. Oh, a little card. Enjoy. Merry Christmas, Kenton. Try to lay off eating bugs in 2021. Thank you. Thank you. If you missed those videos, you missed a good time. Here we have some earrings, some parquet design clay edition earrings. Not for me, my ears aren't pierced, but perhaps for the ear pierced person in your life. I'm sure I can find someone to give those to. What is this? Bath salts. Not those bath salts. Bath salts from Prairie
Apothecary.
That doesn't matter. Bath salts, that's cool. See how they smell. Oh wow, those are really nice. Those are really strong though. I like that. Organic and wild crafted ingredients. Oh, here's a disclaimer. Not for pregnant or nursing mothers or children under the age of 8. If on medication, consult with your physician prior to use. I wonder why. This is made, handmade in Saskatchewan by
Prairie Apothecary.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what this word says. Prairie
Apothecary.
You know, I will just put the link somewhere so you guys can see it. This is just a piece of wheat for decoration. Oh, hey, there's a card. I didn't even see this card inside. What's this? Thank you for supporting local. Welcome to your curated and sourced Prairie box. We are so excited to offer an experience of the Prairies that is delivered right to your doorstep. Each Prairie box is carefully curated in small batches with a lifestyle theme that features a collection of artisanal and functional goods made in Saskatchewan. We're passionate about providing an experience that connects Saskatchewan people to Saskatchewan businesses in the safety of their own home. When it comes to supporting local, it's important we find innovative ways to purchase, experience, and discover businesses, especially those without a storefront. This is our way of pulling together by staying apart with a touch of pure hospitality. Let's pause. Deepen your connection to the Prairies by engaging all 5 of your senses: touch, hear, smell, see, taste. When we pause, take a breath and note the sounds, smells, tastes, and vibrancy around us, and we can have an enhanced experience. Ask yourself, what does it look like? What smells am I reminded of? Are there any sounds to it? How does it feel? What does it taste like? What do I like about this experience? What isn't in it for me? When we engage the senses and bring our awareness to each item, we are brought into the present moment. That's nice. Now I feel like I should open this candle and smell it. And I'm glad I did, because that smells really nice. Yeah, wow, that's it says white, cranberry, and orange. I don't really smell the orange, but that does smell really nice. There we go. Okay. Santa's Spiced Tea Blend. But first, tea. Ingredients: Earl Grey tea, almonds, currants, orange peel, cinnamon, star, anise, and cloves. I don't want to cut this open to smell it, although I should, because I'm going to give it to somebody. Now we'll do it. Oh. I don't drink a lot of tea. Oh, that smells nice. It's a very nice tea smell. Yeah, no, I like that a lot. This is by doesn't say on it. Unless Santa's Spice, no. Maybe But First Tea is the company name. Does that make sense? Oh, it's Monet. So Monet, I didn't know this was in the box. So Monet is like a shampoo and now skincare line. They made from all natural ingredients. They help strip your hair of the wax that other shampoos build up on, and it helps. Some of it helps regrow your hair. Let's see what's in here. Split End Mender. Okay. Renew Shampoo. Deeply nourishes and brings back strength to dry, damaged hair. Which is great this time of year. This is Super Moisture. Nourishing moisture replenished for dry, dull, brittle hair. Shampoo, hydrate, and style. Huh. Very cool. Just some introduction cards on Monet. I already know about Monet, so I don't have to read them, but I know people who use Monet, they swear by Monet, and people who sell Monet, they swear by Monet. I have nothing. I like Monet. London Fog Lip Balm. It has a little like naked cat on it. I don't know if you can see that. So it smells. Oh, that's not that bad. Usually lip balm has like a really strong smell, I find, but no, that lip balm is quite nice. It just smells like lip balm. I know I should explain the smell because you can't smell it with me right now, but it's lip balm. London Fog. Maybe. Slightly like London Fog. Pickled and Bee. Natural Lip Scrub. The lip scrub. What is this? Oh. So here it is. I don't know if lip scrub is like a lip balm, because we got a lip balm already. Let's say what it is. Apply to lips, rub in. Well, don't use on damaged skin. Stop only if reaction occurs. Don't use only. Pickleandbee.ca. I feel really bad that I don't know what this is. That I don't know what what natural lip scrub is. Maybe it's like this is a lip balm. Maybe it's like a skin scrub. I don't know. I'm sure you will probably know what a lip scrub is. It's probably like, wow, Kenton, that's really bad. You don't know what that is, but yeah, I don't know what a lip scrub is. And oh, another card. I hope that this Prairie box brings you joy and creativity. I think that's it. A lot of feel like a picture. Oh wait, there's something else here. Oh, it's more stuff for Monet. Is that it? I don't want to miss anything else again. Yeah, that's it. So I like this box actually. This candle smells great. Put the wheat right there. The tea smells great. The bath salts smell great. I think I want to regift those for Christmas. The lip balm's nice. I don't know what the lip scrub is. These earrings, I'll take them out. I'm gonna take them out when I go in the box. So they're clay. Look kind of like that. They're nice. I got to pick actually when I was making this box. It was between this earrings and another set, and they're both really nice. I went with this one, but like I don't have pierced ears, so I don't know, if they're too dangly or what. I don't know what that's like. So I know they have a couple different kinds on the website, from the Prairies website. So it's you have your options. I don't know how earrings even really work. Like I know you put them through your ear, but I don't know if it's like to sterilize the tips or not. So we'll leave them in the bag. And we got the Monet, which is great. It is really cool. I know Monet also has a lot of products like hair regrowth and hair stimulation. Good for people like me who apparently have male pattern baldness. Very cool. Not put this and go in there. These go in there. Put in here so I don't lose anything. So this box, I like it a lot. A lot of neat little stuff in it. It kind of reminded me very much of that Morrison Tendon box we got earlier this year. I like that a lot of the ingredients in here are all natural. A lot of them are Canadian or locally made. That's great. It's really great to see, especially something like this. Boxes like this not only bring the product like to your door so you can try it, but also brings out like the awareness that these companies exist. Like I've never heard of Pickle and Bee until I got this, but now I'm going to go on the website, figure out what the heck a natural lip scrub is, and probably buy more of this stuff. Now I know, like, to get bath salts, my mom would probably love this stuff. Tea, my partner drinks tea all the time. I'm sure she'll like that. And this candle, I'm gonna burn it myself. So, so this is a great box. I really like it. I want to thank Brandy from the Prairies for putting this together. I'm not sure if this is just a Christmas thing or if it's a year-long thing. You can visit their website at www.fromtheprairies.com and you can get your own box. I know they have maybe 4 or 5 boxes available, and this is the Goddess box. It's for people who are more feminine, but these are things that I will use. I'll probably use everything but these, and maybe the bath salts. But I know some people use this, so that's okay. So again, I want to thank Brandy for this box and for everything inside of it, and I can't wait to try it. Now we have one more unboxing video this year, and then the Christmas special, and then maybe I'll be done making videos for 2020. But we will see what the next week has in store for us. As always, my name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel, and I will see you next time. Probably here, but wherever that is. Take care, guys. Bye.